hope you all are doing fine. Today I am going to take your class of science, class 3. Your chapter name is Going into Space, chapter 12. In the previous class I have just explained you about the space and I told you okay, what do you mean by atmosphere. Today I am going to tell you about the man on the moon. Okay, man on the moon. So first you have to know the name, the man who just first traveled to the space. So in 1961 Russian cosmonaut, his name is Yuri Gagarin. Yuri Gagarin. He was the first man traveled to space. He is the first man who traveled to the space, and in your book it was told that Neil Armstrong in 20 July 1969 American astronaut Neil Armstrong became the first person who set step on the moon. In his spacecraft, the name of the spacecraft called Apollo 11. Apollo 11. Okay. The first man, Yuri Gagarin, who traveled in the space, and the first man who set foot on the moon, name is Neil Armstrong, and the spacecraft name is Apollo 11. Okay. Then, along with the Neil Armstrong, two other persons are traveled. Their name is Edwin Aldrin and Michael Collins were the other two persons who traveled in the spacecraft along with Neil Armstrong. Okay, these two men were also traveled with the Neil Armstrong. So the next point is about the life on the moon. Life on the moon. Here, as we know, in the moon there is no air and water. That's why in the moon there is no life is possible. Okay, so in the moon there is no any plants or animals or people is there. So what is there? A big hole is there, that is called the craters. So first you have to know what you mean by craters. Craters is a crater is a very large hole in the ground which has been caused something hitting it or by explosion. Okay, it is a large hole in the ground. It seems like this. See in your book. This is the crater. This is a large hole. Okay. Since the gravitational pull of the moon is less than that of the earth, you will weight much less on the moon. As the in our earth gravitational force is too much high, but in the moon there is too much less gravitational force. If your weight is whatever your weight is in the earth, that is the 1/6 of weight on the earth in the moon. Our weight is if you weigh 30 kg on earth, you will weight only 5 kg. If your weight is now 30 kg, but in the moon your weight will be 5 kg. Okay. So hope all of you understand. For today I just finished my class. We just learned the names of these scientists. Okay. For today I just finished my class. Thank you.